hard to believe that in the 1940s that this area here at Rocklea was the heart of engineering in Brisbane. Back in 1941, the government bought 100 acres of land out here at Salisbury near Rocklea. The site cost £1.5 million, which back then was a bucket load of money. And they made everything here for the war effort, from bullets to artillery rounds to reconditioning aircraft engines. It was a massive site. Huge foundries, presses, furnaces, and it's a really cool part of Brisbane's history that not a lot of people know about. After the war, the site was taken over by English Electric and Evans Deakin, and they produced the trains for Queensland Rail, amongst others, including the mighty Sunlander. So what I'm walking on now is still an active train line. There's a junction between Salisbury and Rocklea stations, which tees off across this bridge and into the Alkine Steel Factory. At the moment the gates are closed, but they get opened about once a week for deliveries of steel. But I reckon it's a really fascinating part of Brisbane's history.